How to save repaired MS SQL database as new or live database. In this video, we will see how to save the repaired MS SQL database as new or live database. It is the main interface of Stellar Repair for MS SQL. Here, I am going to select a corrupt MDF file. Click Repair to initiate the process. Here you can see the database repaired successfully. To save the repaired database, click Save option. Here I am selecting MDF File option to save the repaired database in New Database or Live Database options. Select New Database option. Now, in order to connect with a server, you need to enter server or instance name. Select Default or New Location. Click Save. The database saved at the desired path. Similarly, you can select Live Database option in order to save repaired database file. Select Live Database option. Now, in order to connect with the server, you need to enter server or instance name. Select the existing database from this drop-down list. Click Save. You will see a confirmation message, Database saved at the desired path. Now here I will open SQL Server Management Studio. In New Database option, you can see Renamed Repaired File without intacting original file. Similarly, in Live Database, you can see your repaired database under Existing Database. These are the simple steps to save the repaired MS SQL database as new or live database. Thanks for watching.